In this video, we will talk about organizational management, a setup where individuals from diverse backgrounds, different educational qualifications, and varied interests come together to work towards a common goals is called an organization. The employees must work in close coordination with each other and try their level best to achieve the organization's goals. It is essential to manage the employees well for them to feel indispensable for the organization. Organizational management helps to extract the best out of each employee so that they accomplish the task within the given time frame. What is organizational management? Organizational management refers to the art of getting people together on a common platform to make them work towards a common predefined goal. It enables the optimum use of resources through meticulous planning and control at the workplace. It gives a sense of direction to the employees. The individuals are well aware of their roles and responsibilities and know what they are supposed to do in the organization. An effective management ensures profitability for the organization. In a layman's language, organization management refers to efficient handling of the organization as well as its employees. Need of organization management. It is needed because it gives a sense of security and oneness to the employees. An effective management is required for better coordination among various departments. Employees accomplish tasks within the stimulated time frame as a result of effective organization management. Employees stay loyal towards their job and often not treat work as a burden. Effective organization management leads to a peaceful and positive ambience at the workplace. Definition of organization. Organization refers to a collection of people who are involved in pursuing defined objectives. It can be understood as a social system which comprises all formal relationships. The organization encompasses division of work among employees and alignment of tasks towards the ultimate goal of the company. It can be referred as the second most important managerial function that coordinates the work of employees, procures resources, and combines the two in pursuance of company's goals. Process of organization. The first step of organization is determination and classification of firm's activities. Second one is grouping of the activities into workable departments. Next, assignment of authority and responsibility on the departmental executives for undertaking the delegated task. Then, developing relationship amidst superior and subordinate within the unit or department. And last one is framing policies for proper coordination between the superior and subordinate and creating a specific times of supervision. In brief, we can say that organization is the goal oriented process which aims at achieving them through proper planning and coordination between activities. It relies on the principle of division of work and set up authority and responsibility relationship among the members of the organization.